20 English grammar questions that will test your skills. She. To the gym every morning. Go. Goes. Going. Gone. She goes to the gym every morning. They. Dinner when I arrived. Have. Had. Were having. Has. They were having dinner when I arrived. By next year, we. In this city for a decade. Will be living. Lived. Have lived. Will have lived. By next year, we will have lived in the city for a decade. I, to the concert last night. Went. Go. Have gone. Going. I went to the concert last night. He. Already. His homework. Has, done. Have, did. Is, doing. Had, do. He has already done his homework. The children. In the park when it started to rain. Plays. Were playing. Played. Are playing. The children were playing in the park when it started to rain. My keys. I can't find them anywhere. Lose. Have lost. Losing. Had lose. I have lost my keys. I can't find them anywhere. By the time she arrives, we. Eating. Will start. Will have started. Are starting. Started. By the time she arrives, we will have started eating. While TV, my brother was studying. Watch. Watched. Was watching. Had watched. While I was watching TV, my brother was studying. They. The project before the deadline. Completed. Are completing. Completes. Complete. They completed the project before the deadline. He. To the office when I called him. Go. Goes. Was going. Gone. He was going to the office when I called him. We. For her for over an hour. Wait. Have been waiting. Are waiting. Waited. We have been waiting for her for over an hour. She. Her homework before dinner. Had finished. Has finished. Finished. Finishes. She had finished her homework before dinner. They usually. To work by train. Travel. Travels. Traveling. Traveled. They usually travel to work by train. I think it. Tomorrow. Will rain. Rains. Raining. Rain. I think it will rain tomorrow. He. In the garden when he found a coin. Digs. Was digging. Digging. Dig. He was digging in the garden when he found a coin. We. To Paris several times. Go. Went. Have been. Are going. We have been to Paris several times. At 5 p.m., she. A meeting. Had. Have. Has. Will be having. At 5 p.m., she will be having a meeting. The novel by the time you return. Finish. Have finished. Am finishing. Will have finished. I will have finished the novel by the time you return. He. To Canada last year. Moved. Moves. Is moving. Has moved. He moved to Canada last year.